Hey folks, it's Sandra Pike from Roller Page Atlantic and the Pike Group, and thank you so much for tuning in again today. Today I thought, I have Jack Cameron with me here from Premier Mortgages, and I really want to maybe help you, the first-time home buyer, purchase your first home. So Jack, welcome. Why don't you introduce yourself and tell us a little about who you are and how long you've been in the industry?
Yeah, so my name is Jack Cameron. I've been with the Premier Mortgage Center now and mortgage business now for the last 15 years. So I bring a lot of experience to the table and walking through the client through the setting up the process and home buying, and so they understand that all the financial capabilities that are involved in that process. So we bring a lot of experience and help them walk through the process.
Well, I know when I bought my first home back when I was 28, being 29 now, of course. Anyway, I know when I first bought my house, the information was like 747 right over my head, and I really didn't understand a lot of it. So what can you do differently, more so than when I went into a bank and it truly was all foreign to me? How can you help our first-time home buyers?
No, it's great question, and it's a stressful situation to get into a home.
Oh my God, I need a drink.
So we try to avoid that, and we kind of really walk through the steps of home buying and sitting down and doing a financial analysis with the client, walking them through what they own and what they owe, and getting a sense of their comfort level on their monthly budget. And with that, we put a plan in place, and the plan kind of looks like, what are they currently spending today, and what if they owned a home, what that's going to look like. So walking through there, and because we're a broker channel, it's one-stop shop. We've got access to all these lenders, and that really saves the client from shopping around.
Well, why shouldn't I shop around? What's the benefit? Well, I mean, I can go to TD, I can go to BMO, I can go do it myself. What's the benefit of having a mortgage broker?
Yeah, so the benefit is because we only have the access to 20 different lenders, so that's a lot of choice.
So that is a lot of choice. Yeah. So do you shop my mortgage out to all those people?
Yeah, I mean, I work with I have access to that many lenders, but I work with my best 5 lenders with preferred rates, approval times, and the other key thing is that we only inquire on your credit report once. So
okay.
Big thing, right? So not to impact your credit score, so we only do one application and one inquiry on your credit score, and we have access to all those lenders.
Okay, no, that's some really good information. Is there anything else like that a buyer should know about for a down payment? Or Mother Pike, God love her, she was going to give me money to help buy a house, so can that happen now?
Yes, well, the more the better. If the parents are going to contribute money to the home buying process, I encourage them to do so. The more the better, because we got closing costs, we've got down payment, little touches when they move in, right? They're going to want to decorate it the way they want. So if we can borrow mom and pop's money, that's awesome, right? So the key thing though to understand is that we do have down payment money from savings, or we got tax-free savings account, or the RSP, first-time home buyers withdrawal. So basically they're allowed to withdraw up to $25,000 per individual, and that's the biggest thing. So if they have some money tucked away.
I think I'm going to call mom and dad, I'm just saying.
Yeah, why not? Use their money, not your money, right? So
yes, I need my money for shoes. No, I'm
that's
just teasing. Anyway, thanks so much. Jack, is there anything else that you should let our first-time home buyers know today?
Yeah, I think the important thing is to get in early, talk with myself, a mortgage broker. There's no cost, expert advice, and get pre-approved early and understand the mortgage plan, and that's where we'll sit down and get organized with them.
I just have one more question. That you said that you talked about a pre-approval. How long does that rate last for? That rate hold?
Yeah,
that you give us?
we lock rates into up to 4 months, so an extra 30 days more than the banks.
Okay.
And with multiple lenders, as I talked about. So get in early, get pre-approved, know your budget, get organized.
There you have it, folks, and I can tell you he is a great mortgage broker because he was mine too. So thanks for tuning in. It's Sandra Pike from Roller Page Atlantic and the Pike Group. And Jack, how can people reach you?
Give us a call at 223-5225.
Thanks a lot, folks.